Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Colored Spirit. I'm Bhavistri. I'm pretty excited for this video. You all know we got a lace sewing machine and I stitched a wrapping dress in it. I'm a super lazy girl, so I will pick the easiest way for everything. So you guys don't worry. This dress is easy to stitch and easy to wear. So make sure you grab your sewing kit, some fabulous fabric and get started. Before that, if you're first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, please like, comment, share.
First of all, I'm gonna give you a quick sketch of cutting. I'm sure this will give you an overall idea. Let's start from the back portion. It's similar to a normal frock. Imagine this is the cloth, fold it into half, then mark neck width, shoulder, neck length. This neck length shouldn't be more than 2 inches, okay? Then draw the armhole. Shape length and shape width. So the back portion is ready. Now we have to cut the right front portion and the left front portion. Place the back portion like this on the cloth. Then draw a slope from the neck. Extend the shape width line. These two lines will meet at a point. Extend that line too. This should be long enough to round our body. You can simply join small cloth pieces to get that much length. You can widen this area if you want to. Now let's join the shoulders. Now fold and sew this area. I hope you all know how to fold and sew the neck portion. Join a long cloth piece, then fold and sew. That's the method. Join the sides and stitch the bottom also. Don't stitch the portion where you want your hole. We are making sash and join. Stitch a long cloth like this and flip it. Sash is ready. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more.